In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop PWA eCommerce CMS with POS and WhatsApp ordering, inventory management. Let's look at some features of this script. eCommerce EW user website, WhatsApp ordering, most powerful admin panel dashboard with rich analytics, product management, POS and order management. So these are some of the features. To purchase this script, kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I will say to my cPanel. Before that, example of this script is Shopperzz, and this script is good for business owners. So let me now go straight to my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager, file manager. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now for my file manager, I go to my subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I click on it. So I've already uploaded my script. So next, let me extract it. Extract files. So next, I click on close. I've successfully extracted it. This is the extracted file. So let me open it. Then I'm going to select all. Then move them to the root folder. So I'm moving them to the root folder. More files. Next, I click on up one level. So next, let me copy my subdomain name. I open a new tab, paste it there, then enter. Next, I click on check requirements. Okay. All are set. Check permissions. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I'll go back to my file manager to set storage framework logs to 775, then bootstrap cache to 775. Let me come to bootstrap first, bootstrap, then cache to 775. Yes. Up one level. Then next, storage framework to 775. Save. Logs to 775. Save. Then I come back to my site. I refresh. So all are set. Site setup. Site setup. App name, let me say shop. Okay. App URL. Okay. Here's my app URL. Database setup. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now, okay, I will go back to my cPanel, then create my database. So I'm going to databases, then manage my databases. So let me name this as CDF tutorial. So that's my database name. I click on create database. I have successfully created my database. So I click on go back. Next, I want to create my user. Let me scroll down. Now I'll click my URL. ABCDF tutorial is that yes. Next, I click on create user. I successfully created my database username. So let me close this. Next, I click on go back. After creating my database and creating my database username, next I'm going to add both of them together. I'm going to add the database and database username together. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, please buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install your script. Now I'm going to add the user to the database. It has already selected this for me, so let me click on add. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I give up privileges, scroll down to make changes. I've successfully added them and give them permissions. So let me copy my database username. I go back to my site. So next I click on final setup. So next I click on finish. Application has been successfully installed. I click on finish. So I've successfully installed my script. For your script installation, please use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install your script or to develop your script. Thank you.